Welcome to Iron Math Industries. Today we're looking at 3 powerful techniques to solve a quadratic equation. First, we're going to look at factoring. Our first equation, x squared minus 5x plus 6, we're going to use two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to negative 5. We place those numbers in the blanks, and from there we'll get two answers. So we pick negative 2 and negative 3. And from here we can see that our final answers will be x equals 2 and x equals 3. Whenever the number in the parentheses is negative, your final answer will be opposite that. So in this case, it'll be positive 2, positive 3. Next, we're going to look at the quadratic formula. Now on the left, you see the formula in standard form, and on the right, you see the quadratic formula as we're going to solve it. So keep in mind A, B, and C. Whatever A, B, and C is, we plug that into the quadratic formula on the right, then we calculate. So here we have 2, negative 3, and 1. Now that's A, B, and C. All you do is plug those numbers into the formula. This is what it looks like. And this is going to render us two answers, right? Because we're going to calculate it with the positive and then the negative. So the first answer will be x equals 1. The second answer will be x equals 1/2. Now remember, it's just a matter of plugging in the correct values into the formula. Once you get to that point, you could easily calculate your answer using a calculator. It's not difficult, it looks intimidating, but it's very straightforward. Practice makes perfect. Now, if you find this helpful, please go ahead and subscribe. We're going to put out more content about math and physics and help you get through your courses. Now we're going to look at completing the square. Formula we need now is b over 2 squared. Now same concept here, a, b, and c. So we take b, which is 6, and plug that into the formula. And so we end up with 6 over 2 squared will equal 9. That 9 will go on the left and right side of the equation. On the right, it'll add up to 4, and on the left, it'll allow us to factor the equation as we did the first time. So x plus 3 times x plus 3 will be the factors. To condense that, we can write x plus 3 squared. We want to move the square to the other side of the equation, and when that happens, it becomes a root. So we get root 4 plus or minus root 4. To calculate that, we get plus or minus 2. And this will allow us to get our final answer. We'll calculate the plus and the minus, and we will get both answers. We get x equals negative 1 and x equals negative 5. Now let's review. We have the equation in standard form. Next we have the quadratic formula. Down below we'll see the completing the square formula. Now the next equations, try them on your own. Let me know how you did in the comments, if you did well or you didn't do so good. It's okay to fail. Sometimes it's necessary to do so. Thanks for watching Iron Math Industries. I'm Andrew. I'm here to help. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.